Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, there lived a young man named Kavi. Kavi was an ordinary villager who spent his days working in the rice fields and his evenings sitting by the river, contemplating the mysteries of life. One day, as the golden sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the village, Kavi decided to seek wisdom from the wise old monk who resided in the ancient temple on the hill. The temple, weathered by time, stood tall and serene, surrounded by cherry blossom trees that whispered tales of enlightenment. Kavi climbed the stone steps leading to the temple, his heart pounding with anticipation. The old monk, Master Jiro, welcomed him with a gentle smile. "What brings you here, young one?" Master Jiro inquired, his eyes sparkling with a deep understanding. Kavi hesitated for a moment before pouring out his heart. "I seek success and happiness, Master. But I feel like there are invisible forces working against me, hindering my path. I want to know the real enemies of my successful life." Master Jiro nodded knowingly. "Sit, Kavi. Let me share with you a tale that may unveil the truths you seek." As the flickering candlelight cast dancing shadows on the temple walls, Master Jiro began the tale of a humble farmer named Hiroshi. Hiroshi, like Kavi, desired success and happiness. One day, he stumbled upon a mysterious scroll in the heart of the bamboo forest. The scroll contained the ancient wisdom of the Zen monks, outlining the real enemies of a successful life. "The first enemy," Master Jiro began, "is the monkey mind. It is the restless, chaotic thoughts that swing from branch to branch, never allowing the mind to find peace. To overcome this enemy, one must learn to tame the monkey, to quiet the mind through meditation and mindfulness." Kavi listened intently, absorbing the wisdom like a sponge soaking up water. He could almost feel the presence of the bamboo forest and the weight of the ancient scroll in his hands. Master Jiro continued the tale. "The second enemy is the illusion of control. Many believe they can control every aspect of their lives, but this is a fallacy. Life is unpredictable, like the flowing river. Accepting the ebb and flow of circumstances allows one to navigate the currents with grace." As the story unfolded, Kavi began to reflect on his own life, recognizing the monkey mind and the illusion of control within himself. The ancient wisdom spoke to his soul, resonating with a truth he had long overlooked. Master Jiro then revealed the third enemy, attachment. Attachment is like a chain that binds the spirit. Whether it be to material possessions, relationships, or desires, attachment leads to suffering. To break free, one must embrace impermanence and let go of attachments that weigh the heart down. Kavi felt a pang in his chest as he contemplated the attachments in his own life. The story, like a mirror, reflected the shadows within his soul, urging him to confront and release the burdens he carried. As the night deepened, Master Jiro shared the final enemy, fear. Fear is a phantom that haunts the mind, creating illusions of danger and failure. Conquering fear requires facing it head-on, understanding that it is a product of the mind. Only then can one step into the light of courage and resilience. The tale concluded with Hiroshi, the humble farmer, incorporating these teachings into his life. Through the practice of meditation, acceptance, detachment, and courage, Hiroshi transformed his existence, finding success and happiness in the simple moments of life. Kavi, inspired by the story, thanked Master Jiro for the profound wisdom. Armed with newfound knowledge, he descended the temple steps, carrying the ancient teachings with him. Days turned into weeks, and Kavi diligently applied the lessons in his daily life. He cultivated the stillness of the mind, embraced the unpredictable nature of existence, released the chains of attachment, and faced his fears with unwavering determination. As the seasons changed, so did Kavi's life. The rice fields flourished, and the river whispered tales of triumph. Kavi, once burdened by invisible enemies, now stood victorious against the adversaries within himself. And so, in the quiet village nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, the tale of Kavi echoed through the generations. The story of the real enemies of a successful life, shared under the cherry blossoms of the ancient temple, became a beacon of light for all who sought the path to true happiness and fulfillment. And as the sun set behind the hills, casting a warm glow over the village, the storyteller in Kavi knew that the timeless wisdom of the Zen monks would continue to guide hearts toward a life well lived.